Hey, we're gonna unbox a Delta toilet stool. I haven't never seen one before, but they sell them at Home Depot. And they're supposed to be really good, got great ratings among different people that have tested them. So I'm gonna unbox it today and we'll install it tomorrow. And we'll see how it works. I bought this at Home Depot. It's $139, I believe. Which is pretty cheap compared to some of the toilets. And it has a lot more features than some of the other toilets. Comes with the instructions. Has a lifetime warranty, which most Delta stuff, or all Delta stuff, has lifetime warranties. And there's the tank, which you will have to install the tank on the toilet. Fill mechanism, pretty standard fill mechanism. Has the 3-inch. You can look here, it has a 3-inch hole to dump the water down instead of the standard 2 inch. It's a 3-inch, almost like 3.5 inches. It's a big old hole. So it's got a big old flush valve on it. So dump the water out in a hurry. But it's a little bitty tank. Wheel boxed. Got a lot of cardboard. There's your wax ring for the bottom, and there's the seal between the tank and the toilet. The lid for the tank. And there's the seat for the toilet. We'll unbox that. It's supposed to be a non-slamming. Back in the old days when you bought a toilet, everything was sold separately. You bought the toilet, and then you bought the tank, and then you bought the seat. All sold separate. Just that's cardboard. Comes with the hardware for mounting it and everything. Could have a room full of cardboard by the time I get this thing taken apart, taken out. There is your seat, and it's a slow close, non-slamming seat. Very nice. Well made. And there is the toilet itself. There's the bottom of it. You can see somehow it's made. Looks very well made. Look, here is your P-trap. Comes out of the bottom of the bowl and sweeps around. Let's see it again on this side. A nice big hole here where the water dumps in at. It's got a hole in the front here where the water shoots across to push stuff down the P-trap. Seems to be very slick inside the bowl. You can feel the little holes all the way around here where the water flushes down around the bowl. Seems to be well made. Two little clear rubbers come with the non-slip. Imagine they stick on there. You push into place. They got little dimples that line up. Hold them into place, little non-skip slip pads. Bolts and the nuts. Put that on later. Open the lid and be sure it's not cracked or broke or damaged. So far it's well packaged. Should hold up for shipping, being well packaged as it is. Lid got vent holes in the back, but perfect condition. No scratches, dents, no real imperfections that I can see. It's a good lid. Okay, we're fixing to put the wax ring down. I bought this one here with the resealable rubber seal. First, I'm gonna put the bolts in.
Done.